In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an SMS campaign with Brevo. Before we dive in, grab your computer and get comfortable because we're about to embark on a simple yet effective way to connect with your audience through SMS marketing. First, open your browser and search for Brevo in a new tab. Brevo is a versatile platform that provides various marketing tools, and for our purpose, we will focus on its SMS campaign capabilities. Once you've hit search, click on the first link that appears to head straight to the Brevo website. Log in using your existing credentials. If you're new, you might need to sign up first, but following this login step ensures that we have access to all the marketing features we need. Once logged in, you will find yourself on the dashboard. On the left, you'll see a menu. Navigate to the Marketing tab and then select Campaigns. This is where the magic happens. You're now one step closer to launching your campaign. Click on Create Campaign and select SMS from the available options. This selection gears us towards crafting a text message marketing effort targeted at enticing potential customers. Make sure to give your campaign a clear and descriptive name, something you'll recognize later on. After naming it, click Proceed to move forward in the process. Next, you'll find yourself in the message editor. Here is where you insert the content of your message. Brevo is handy enough to provide a character count for your message, reminding you that messages over 160 characters will split into multiple SMS credits. Each subsequent part costs 153 characters, so crafting a concise message is crucial. Consider adding a personal touch to your message with placeholders like the contact's first name. Personalization can significantly increase engagement as recipients feel more directly spoken to. And don't forget emoticons. Add emojis to make your message visually appealing using the smiley icon in the editor. Remember, it's essential to provide an unsubscribe option, letting recipients know they can reply "Stop" to opt out. Moving on to the sender information, set a sender name that recipients will see when they receive your SMS. Keep in mind, particularly for countries like the US, a numerical short code might display instead. For campaigns targeting USA or Canada, head over to the Options tab to ensure compliance management is enabled. This is crucial for adhering to local regulations and maintaining your campaign's integrity. Pick your contact list or a defined segment you want your message to be sent to. Careful selection ensures your SMS reaches the intended audience. Review the entire campaign thoroughly. Double-check the sender name, the message content, and other details to catch any potential errors. It's always a good idea to test your message first. Send a test SMS to your own phone to see precisely what your recipients will experience. Once satisfied, go ahead and confirm the campaign to queue it for sending. And congratulations, you've just set up an SMS campaign. Happy marketing!